you may be losing, you may be having a hard time in life.
Good morning everyone! Hello Briggs! Congratulations! Third True badge mo na.
Hey! Thank you!
So, kumusta pakiramdam?
Ayun, nahihina ako pero sobrang saya! Like, iba yung feeling na nag-shoot at iba rin yung feeling na pinapanood mo na siya. Parang nung nag-shoot, saya! Okay, third True badge! Mag-feel siya. And then now watching it again, tapos with audiences that, you know, cheer for you and root for you, ibang level din yung happiness from first True badge to second to third. Wala siya sa cards ko na gusto ko magkaroon ng tatlong True badge, gusto ko magkaroon ng maging front runner. Hindi. Ang gusto ko lang talaga is yung bumalik, gumawa ng magandang memory, mag-enjoy, and by that intention, na-reward ako ng True badge. I'm very, very happy and grateful.
Dito sa episode 9, mas parang naging klaro yung naging journey mo na na-relate mo nga from season 1. Then dito sa season na to, what changed to Brigadine?
Siguro mas nag-mature ako in so many levels. This time in Station Royale, mas naging honest ako. Mas naging authentic ako. Mas naging totoo ako. At mas tinanggap ko yung mga flaws ko. Kasi parang ng season 1, I'm always into, you know, kailangan maging ako yung pinakamagaling. Kailangan mapatunayan ko sa kanila na ako yung pinakasikat, ako yung kilala. Without acknowledging my weaknesses, without acknowledging my flaws. And this time, I was able to accept that and embrace that and use that to motivate myself and challenge myself to do better.
And alam mo, from episode 1 to episode 9, parang smooth lang na naging journey mo, Briggs. Pero ano ba yung pinaka-challenging sa'yo, especially for this season?
Siguro pinaka-challenging sa akin is still, yung tanggapin sa sarili mo na ito na yung brand new version mo. Diba? Sanay tayo na nahihirapan, sanay tayo sa old version natin sanay tayo sa comfort. And to be in this position right now, it's still a journey. It's still a learning process na, shit, ako to sa Brigadine. From my experiences in season 1, totally different to experience ko ngayon. And it's not easy to accept it. It's not easy to celebrate it. Pero hanggang ngayon, parang pinipitch ko pa rin yung sarili ko na, girl, I am at the top 4. Nandun ako sa finale and I am the front runner. I have the most True badges. Hindi naman nakakaloka. Iba yung experience ko na achieved ko yung intention ko na magkaroon ng good experience, ng bagong experience. And doon pa lang parang laking pasasalamat ko na talaga. Ang sarap-sarap sa puso na bigyan all these flowers.
And speaking of top 4, hindi ka lang naman basta top 4, front runner ka ng season na to sa inyong 4. Ikaw rin yung unang tinawag since ikaw nga yung may True badge. So, during that time, ano ba yung nafe-feel mo?
Alam mo, lokang-loka ko nun. Kita-kita ko lang, what? Ako? Doon na nag-dawn sa akin na, ako, I have the chance to win Station Royale. What? Talagang iba yung gulat ko kasi parang from not winning anything from my season to having the chance to win. 12 kaming queens na pumasok ng Station Royale. Isa ako sa napiling makapasok sa top 4 and represent Asia to the world. It's a good feeling but also a very big responsibility. And I'm taking it seriously kasi hindi madali yung hindi madali yung title. Hindi madali yung representation na gagawin ko. But I think I am ready. I think the best representation to be that Slation royalty. Kasi hindi ako naging madamot sa kwento ko. Yung mga pinagdaanan ko, ginamit ko siyang motivation for people to find themselves in me and realize that whatever you're going through, you don't have to be a drag queen. You may be losing, you may be having a hard time in life, heartbroken, but if you just believe in yourself, find that joy inside you, you can, go places, greater heights. Yeah, it's temporary. And who knows, diba? Mananalo ka ng corona, mananalo ka ng 3 rubage, mas-celebrate ka. Ang sarap sa feeling na magkaroon ng ganung visual na it really can do it. Ako pa na simpleng tao, ako pa na simpleng clear person, diba? That's the biggest representation I'm very proud of.
Speaking to you right now, parang laki talaga na nabago sa'yo. Pero, paano mo ba prepare yung sarili mo mentally and emotionally for this season?
Paano ba prepare? It's 3 years. 3 years of, hindi nga lang 3 years eh. Parang starting point yung 3 years, but binalikan ko talaga yung 12 years of experience ko in drag. And my whole lifetime, hindi siya madali. Kasi nag-introspect talaga ako na parang, ito yung mga parts na sinasabi lang, hindi ko pala yung sarili ko, hindi ko alam yung branding ko. But what I did was, went back to my life experiences, the best moments of my life, the worst moments, the most traumatic, the most celebratory. Binalikan ko lahat ng yun. And dun ako na-remind na kung sino talaga ako. Kaya when it came to this competition, I'm more prepared. I know myself more, and that's what's translated sa audience and sa judges. And nakita lang nila yung joy na nag-enjoy ako, ginagawa ko yung best ko because I know who I am, I know what I've been through, and I know where I'm going.
Kasi kanina, isa sa mga own question lang sa amin, kasi habang nanonood tayo dito, nanonood din yung team ko, sabi nila, tanungin mo naman si Brigidine kasi kanina kinuhanan ka ng mga para inarbor yung mga
Alaska.
May funny harbat story ka ba na pwedeng i-share? Kasi most of the queens yan, marami nag-aaway because of the harbatan.
Alam mo, hindi. Ang pinaka-cute part na nakita ko din sa part na nag-harbatan kami ng mga kwintas is the sisterhood. And I think nakita yun sa akin ni Katkat, ni Maxine, ni Precious, and ni Marina, na of all the queens, I am the one na magagano nila, na maaabot nila, na sister, ganun yung level of sisterhood na meron kami, or na magkakakilala na nila sa akin, na Brigidine is someone that mabilis lapitan, Brigidine is someone na mabilis makuhin, mabilis biruin. I am the Brigidine na kilala na nila longer than Drag Race. Na kahit kunin ko yung hika ni Brigidine, hindi yan magagalit, hindi yan magtatampo because we are sisters. We are the pioneers of this community. We are the ones na yung wala pang Drag Race, kami na itong magkakatrabaho, kami na itong magkakatrabaho.
And speaking of Reyna, na ni-launch sa episode 9, syempre kilala na ka naman namin as part of Divine Divas. Pero are you open ba to be part of another?
Oo naman. Parang ewan ko nga eh. Kung magkaroon ako ng chance to tour with them or to join that group, why not? Diba? These are the best of the best Filipino representation for drag. And to be standing next to them, my gosh, parang deserve.
Wow!
Oo, hindi like, nung nakita ko sila pumasok dun sa workroom, sabi ko parang, grabe, naiyak ako nung talaga, like, the power they hold is so important, na na-remind ako na parang, these are my girls. I have to be in the same, side with them. And I'm very, very proud to call them my sisters, to call them my drag mothers, to call them my drag sisters. And ang sarap lang sabihin na kung i-inspire nila ako, ano pang power yung kaming magkakasama nag-i-inspire ng iba.
And next week, finale na. So, bigyan mo naman kami ng teaser kung ano yung, paano mo siya pinaghandaan and gaano ka ka-excited.
I'm so excited for the finale. Yung sinabi ko kanina na hindi ito yung episode na papahinga tayo, mag-live back tayo. Ito na namin talaga ito. Although, we only have one episode and hindi na tayo mag-work back dito. Hindi na tayo playing safe. Hindi na tayo magbabalik-balik dito. This is real focus just for the crown.
And if there's one lesson na natutunan mo sa transformation ni Brigiding for this season, ano yun?
Transformation, it's non-linear, diba? Every time, walang limitation. Wala ring perfect time, walang perfect place to transform. You just have to be open to changes, be open to discovery, enjoy the process and trust the process. Na parang every time, every occasion, every person can change you, every situation can transform you, and that's beautiful because you are human. Diba parang ikaw mismo nag-evolve ka every time, every events, every person na kasalanan mo can transform you and evolve you to your better version.
Thank you, Briggs, and looking forward for next week.
Thank you.